Guys, today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Williams chicken. I got some fries. I think they gave some gravy for the gizzards and livers as well. Shit, they probably actually gave a box in two different separate boxes for the gizzards and livers. These are the gizzards. I don't know why they actually added a biscuit, like I'm gonna actually eat that. And also, here are the livers. Not really a big fan of livers, but I am gonna eat it. If it's actually fried right, I'll actually eat it. And of course, I have some cold Canada Dry for the actual burps. So let's get into it. I'm gonna actually start off eating the gizzards. Pretty good. I'll try with some gravy as well. And have some white gravy. But how's everybody doing today? How's everybody's week going? My week is going pretty good so far. Same crop, just a different day. Dang, these gizzards are extra crispy today, I see. We'll actually try some of their fries and see how they hit. I had some ketchup. I prefer to use the ketchup from Whataburger, the spicy ketchup. It actually be hitting. Oh yeah, I actually want to know what kind of content do you guys prefer for me to actually make, because I'm not for sure. Some people actually be adding their comments, but it seems like a lot of people don't comment at all. But I would like to see what other people's opinion of what a mukbang or how I should actually make my videos be, or how I should make my videos. Their fries are not all that. I guess because I drove, well, this Williams chicken is like 15 minutes away from me, so I guess by the time I got to the house they were already soggy. But it is good with the spicy ketchup. I'll try with the gravy. Ah, crap. Seasoned pretty good. I didn't expect this. To be honest, I'm like waiting for Thanksgiving, because that's like, of course I spend time with my family, but it's like all the different foods that haven't ate in a year basically. Or maybe I'm just greedy, I'm not for sure. I've been craving some turkey and dressing lately, so can't wait for my mom to cook. I'm not for sure if she's gonna cook or we're just gonna eat out, because we're all basically grown now. Well, me and my siblings. Mm-mm. Excuse me. I should have just got all gizzards. I'm not a fan of livers at all. Oh yeah, I was. I was craving like some cooked food over the weekend. I ended up, well, Friday when I got off. Yeah, when I got off? No, Monday when I got off. I ended up going to Walmart and just picking up some stuff to make a meatloaf, fried cabbage, and sweet potatoes. So that's what I ended up eating at 12 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday morning, because I was actually craving it. So I'm actually ready for all that cooked food to be cooked on either Thanksgiving or Christmas, whichever one. Mm-mm. I'm already sleepy. Well, they didn't give more than 6 each. It's more like probably 12 each. I asked for 6 gizzards, 6 livers, and it seemed like they gave me more. I'm not tripping, but dang. about 2 people gonna eat this crap, but I'm not tripping. I guess I got my money's worth. I was looking at the menu. I was like, this is kind of expensive for only 6 gizzards and 6 livers, though. I'm not really for sure what I'm gonna do for the rest of the week. Probably nothing, just do what I do always. Come home and go to sleep, maybe eat. Probably nothing major. Excuse me. My bad. That camera dry as something else. Oh yeah, and I need some more people to subscribe to, because it seems like, I guess it's a drought of the people that I actually am subscribed to. They make videos at the same time, and when I actually do, when I actually do watch their videos, I watch them, like binge watch them, and then on the other days, it's nothing to watch, and I end up watching the same video. So need a little bit more people to subscribe to. Livers are nasty. I don't prefer them. I don't see why people have, or how people have a taste for livers. would it be a difference if I just drank or ate regular ginger instead of drinking this ginger ale? I've been thinking about trying it, but every time I go to like stores, they rarely have ginger roots. So I'll try it next time I go to the store. Excuse me. Oh man, tired. I really didn't do nothing today, just sit at work. I don't know. Lately I've just been having a lot on my mind, just about life, like what I want to do, and I know I'm not content about where I'm at right now as far as my job situation. I'm not really excuse me, thought I was about to sneeze. I'm not really content about my living situation. I love the area, whatever. The apartment is alright. It's not all that, but I prefer to be closer to my family, if that makes logical sense. So I'm just like thinking about everything. It's been like, this year has been crazy. Not necessarily crazy, it just opened up my eyes to a lot of stuff, if that makes sense. And then, ever since I've moved into this apartment, it's been like crazy stuff that's been happening. Not necessarily people, but just like crazy stuff. Just crazy stuff in general. I'll just leave it at that. But this year has opened my eyes to a lot of things. I never really thought I'd actually leave my family at all. Even though I'm like 15, 20 minutes away from them, I didn't think I actually want to actually move off away from them. If that makes sense. Excuse me. I think my next apartment. Excuse me. I think my next apartment is probably going to be a little bit closer to my family. So, yeah. So I won't travel back and forth every weekend. Or something in that. Something like that. Excuse me. I do miss being around my family a lot, even though they are crazy. I still actually miss them. Trying to hurry up and I was about to finish this, but F it. I'll save this for later. Whew. Oh yeah, and then I have a couple of mukbangs that I haven't put up yet. I have one that me and Kiana made over the weekend. Yeah, I think over the weekend. We went to Fuzzy's, so I'm thinking about putting that one up. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of, yeah, crazy. A lot of stuff. Well, basically crazy. That's what I can say about it. Yeah, I'm thinking about putting like I share my videos on my Twitter page and not really my Facebook page. Well, one of my exes already shared one of the videos on, well, the video that I was talking about her on her page, but I haven't on my page I haven't put any of my videos on my page. I'm kind of anxious to actually see what my some of my family members are gonna say and some of my friends, just to see. I don't really care about like actually their whole perspective of saying, "Oh, I'm a freak about making videos like that" or whatever. But I guess what it is. My mom know about it. My videos, my brothers know about it. I'm not sure if my brothers watch them though. One of my aunts know about my videos, so. But I haven't exposed it or just talked about it or shared any of the videos on my Facebook page. So I'm kind of anxious to actually see what they are gonna actually think about it. But it is what it is. I enjoy doing it. That's all that matters. I was talking to Kiana earlier about she want to make an actual dual YouTube page. I'm thinking about it, but I'm not really for sure yet if it'll be something that she will be interested in, because she don't even like making mukbangs by herself. They'll be like really interested if she make a mukbang by herself. She just don't feel like it's normal to actually talk to yourself, excuse me, while you're making a video. So who cares? What is normal these days? These days, I'm just like, who cares what nobody says? It's just as long as you are comfortable with what you are doing and just making yourself happy. Who cares what anybody else say? At the end of the day, you living for yourself. I'm not messing no more with those livers. They suck. It's crispy, but I'm just not a big fan of livers. I thought I'll be. Excuse me, allergy starting to mess up. I thought I was gonna eat the livers, but nah, I can't do it. It's too nasty. Even with seasoning on it, it's nasty. I hate livers. I'm about to finish this box of these gizzards up, because I'm not going to touch those livers. I'm gonna break my dang gums. I'm not bald. I have all my teeth. Well, all my teeth except my wisdom teeth. And I started chewing in the back, and then I felt one of the crunchy gizzards actually go at the back by my wisdom, where my wisdom teeth used to be. I was like, what the heck? That felt weird as heck. Ooh. Really trying to figure out what I need to do this week. I knew I had to do something this week, but I forgot. Weird. I'm looking at my thing, my planner on the refrigerator. All the stuff I really already did. I know I was supposed to do something else, but it's not on my refrigerator. So, oh well, it's come to mind. Dang, these dang gizzards. Seems like I was been chewing all freaking day on that one. It's like fresh. I'm done with the gizzards. It's just pressed. That is all that I have for today. That was a small one. Disregard that one. But that is all that I have for today. Hopefully everybody is having a great day so far. If you're interested in me making more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel if you can. Hopefully everybody is having a great night. Take care. I'm about to try to digest this food and probably get in bed. Have a good night, guys. Take care.